And I don't believe in you,
If
Mr.
you do
Mr.
not
Chair.
like if you do not like my ideology, fine. That's mine. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo kung ano yun.
Opo. At bahala na rin po yung yung justisya, yung batas sa inyo po, whether dito sa bansa or sa ibang bansa po.
Naging presidente
Pero
ako.
kung ganyan po yung, Mr. Chair, kung ganyan ang line of thinking ni Mr. Duterte, na walang ganyan niya ituring ang mga mamamayan, na kapag hindi niya mabigyan ng hanap buhay, nagdroga yan, patayin na lang. So what kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
Right thinking.
That's yours. Saan niyo yun?
What else can you think of? It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Well,
Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Okay, fine.
Far from it.
Fine, Mr. Chair. In same Senate hearing,